Welcome to Your Fix with another episode of Oversimplified. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun and modify this Note 5 to have a transparent back glass. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage already to this phone on the bottom left corner. And we also have a little bit of damage on the top as well. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. What you're going to need is a screen pry. And you're going to go ahead and work your way in onto the side of the phone. Again, I try to keep everything budget friendly, so we're not going to be using a screen warmer on this. It's still very much possible. It may look like I'm being a little quick with this, almost too harsh for the phone, but I have sped up the video just for your convenience. We're so close to being where we need to be. We're almost able to pry this up just with our fingers. But that other side is still adhered down very well. So what we're going to need to do is actually get our screen pry and get that adhesive on the other side lifted up. Perfect, just what I like to see. Now look at all that adhesive. Love it. We're going to play around a little bit and scratch that up. This sticker is actually multiple layers. You have the black and then you also have the clear actual plastic part below that. So don't let it fool you. A lot of times it's easier for you to get to the side of the phone and peel it up from the sides rather than from the center. This way you can peel it all off in one big lovely piece. Now make sure you have a good workout with your fingers before this repair because it's very time consuming and your fingers may very well ache after you are done. You'd want to set out at least 30 minutes of your day to do this modification. Never been a huge fan of markings on my phone, especially from carriers. We'll see what we can do about getting rid of that. But for now, we'll go ahead and move on. Unfortunately, we wasn't able to keep everything in one piece, but nonetheless, we will continue trekking. Victory is so close, I can taste it. And just get that last little bit off of there. Now what we're going to need to do is get this glass adhered to the frame itself. Let's get right to that. So we're going to need our double-sided tape and we are going to work thoroughly to get this back glass adhered to the frame. So we got all the double-sided tape on and ready to go. So we want to make sure that we place this just right. Want that aligned perfectly. And then we will go ahead and set that down in. And voila. We have the new glass adhered to the phone. Now I did clean that back glass off the screen, so keep that in mind. If you're going to use your transparent back, you want it to be clean. We appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe to see future videos. Take it easy, guys.